So what I've done here is I've taken one video and I've changed exactly one thing in it. The woman's jacket and everything else, the rain, the street, the camera move, stayed exactly where it was. That is Seedance 2.5 running on Higgsfield. And that one trick is the reason I stopped re-rolling clips over and over. Let me go ahead and show you the whole thing. This video is sponsored by Higgsfield and the link is in the first line of the description, but I'm using my own account and my own generations, so everything you see here is real. Seedance 2.5 is ByteDance's video model and Higgsfield is where you actually run it. On paper, it does 30 seconds in one take, native 4K, and up to 50 reference images or clips. Quick note, clips with the Higgsfield badge in the corner are the official model samples from the press kit. The browser footage is mine. I will keep telling you which is which. Watch what one generation gets you now. A train car, a draw, a bullet in the air, then outside on the tracks. That is 4 shots, 1 prompt, 1 generation, no stitching. And the sound is made with the pixels not stuck on afterwards. Ambience, footsteps, the score, all in the same pass. That is the part that saved me the most time, honestly. Here is 2.0 on the left and 2.5 on the right. Same prompt, look at the fur, the fire, and the way the wolf holds its shape when it moves. 2.0 is smears, 2.5 holds. Same story in the dark. 2.0 gives you a muddy hill, 2.5 gives you the aurora, the ice giant in the cliff, and a skier you can still see. Detail in low light is the big jump. Okay, my screen now. So what you need to do is go to Higgsfield.ai, and this is the Explore page, Film Festival at the top, and the Seedance 2.5 banner right there. And under that, you get the cards, Seedance 2.5 marked available now, Seedance 2.0 next to it, Supercomputer, the Academy, MCP, and CLI, and Cinema Studio. I'm going to click Seedance 2.5. And that drops me straight onto the video page. 3 tabs up here, create video, edit video, and motion control. Create is text to video, edit is the one I used for the jacket. On the left, you get your preset, mine says general, on Seedance 2.5 and you can hit change and pick a different look. I left it on general for everything in this video. Then references, image, video or audio, 3 slots right there. This is where you feed it your character, your product, your location, and there is an extend video tab next to it. Then the prompt box, it even tells you how to think about it. Describe the visual change you want, make it snow, make it nighttime, and you can pull in elements with the @ sign. And down here, generate 38 credits crossed out, 33 charged because the offer is live, so you can see the cost before you spend it, which I like. Hit it and it lands in history on the right. Everything I made that day is sitting here in a grid. One is still spinning, the rest are done. You can go ahead and open any of them. So let's open the one from the start. And on the right, you get the exact prompt I gave it, which was change only the woman's jacket. The mustard yellow rain jacket becomes a deep teal waxed cotton coat. And then I spelled out what must not change, same street, same camera move, same rain, same neon reflections, same vendor and grill, same timing. That list is the whole job. And that is what came back. 14 seconds, the code is teal and the rain on the plastic sheet. The vendor, the grill, the neon, all of it sits exactly where it was. That is region editing. And the details panel tells you what you actually got. Model, Seedance 2.5 edit, quality 720p bitrate standard, size 1280 by 720. Then recreate reference and download. Now the feature I think is actually the headline references. This is an official sample built from 30 plus assets and you can see the strip of them running under the video. Every face, every stall, the cotton candy, the dog, the Ferris wheel, the Tory gate, each one is a reference image and each one shows up in the shot looking like itself. Same idea, different world, the gallows, the crowd, the archer, the stage. The model is holding all of them in one generation. Higgsfield says you can push it to 50 inputs. Next one, Relight on the right is a little sphere and you hold and drag it to move the light around the face. Watch the shot on the left while I do it. Top light, side light, hard red from the left, cold blue from behind, soft or hard, and a brightness slider at 80% you are lighting a shot after it was shot. That is wild. It is also very good at first person. Here is a gladiator POV, the shield edge in frame, the spear, the crowd, the hands and the weapons stay attached to you the whole way through. Same with a tractor through a vineyard and fly fishing on a river. Your hands do the work, the horizon behaves, and the thing you're holding does not melt halfway through the shot. a festival in Japan in the rain, and then chopping wood in the snow outside a cabin. If you make travel content or ads, this is the folder I would go look at first. And it is not only live action, anime holds up properly. The rooftop silhouette, 3 kids at sunset, then a full space battle, and the line work stays consistent across all of it. Flat comic style too, big teal paw, a mecha spider tearing up a plaza, a cat and a fox on top of a train. Clean shapes, no wobble on the outlines. There is a 90s sitcom look with an actual physical gag in it, and then a fashion cut. Boots, 2 girls running, a wide field on a fisheye. Different jobs, same model. Right? Money, if I open my account up here, I'm on the Ultra plan, and I have 21,214 credits left. Top-up credits, boost speed, and unlimited models are all get buttons. And this is the offer that is running while I record. New Seedance 2.5 Unlimited for up to 33 days, 30% off. There is a countdown on it, so it is a real deadline, not a fake one. 3 plans Ultra, 25% off, 6,000 credits a month, with the 33-day unlimited badge on it. Team is 2,000 credits, scale is 12,500. And they show you the real conversion. 6,000 credits is about 3,000 Nano Banana Pro images, or roughly 267 Seedance 2.0 videos. So you can work out your own month. So what I actually liked, region editing is the one. Changing one object without re-rolling the clip is a completely different way of working, and it is the thing I will keep using. Now the parts I did not like, and this matters. The page says native 4K. My run came back 720p 1280 by 720 4K as an upscale on top, not what the model paints. In 30 seconds is the ceiling, not the default. My clip was 14 credits go fast if you re-roll, which is exactly why the unlimited window is the sensible way to test it. Who is this for? If you cut ads, shorts, or any kind of story content, and you're tired of losing a good take to one wrong detail, this is for you. If you only need 1 clip a month, skip it. Link is in the first line of the description and in the pinned comment, and it uses the 33-day unlimited window, so you can hammer it before you pay for it. Next one, I'm testing the MCP and CLI, so Claude can drive this thing. That is Seedance 2.5 on Higgsfield. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.